reaching for the phone, 'cause I can't fight it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a 1:15. I'm a little drunk and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I've lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. Guess I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a 1:15. I'm alone and I need you now. And I said I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. I just need you now. Hi, it's me, Justine. Thank you for listening to my version of Need You Now. I hope you like it, and if you would like to learn to sing it in harmony, just click the link here or in the description. You can check out my other harmony covers and tutorials with songs by Harry Styles, Billie Eilish, Lady Gaga, Queen, The Beatles, Extreme, and more. And if you like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell. Thank you for listening, and see you next Friday in a new harmony game. Bye.